Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you cannot allow Facebook logins and embedded posts on Brave. So let's get started. Firstly, open Brave browser in your device, then tap on three dots icon, next tap on settings. After that, tap on Brave Shield and Privacy, then scroll until you find Allow Facebook logins and embedded posts. Then turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can disable Facebook logins and embedded posts on Brave. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.